What's good, people? Welcome to another video, and I am back. Yes, I'm back from a holiday. I went to the Dominican Republic for about a week. I really enjoyed it. So I'm happy now to be back and getting into the full swing of things in terms of my training. Now, when it comes to my cut, the cut went well. As you see from my last previous video, I went down to about 74 kg. But throughout this holiday, boy, that weight went right back up to about 77 kg. I was thinking, shit, all that weight that I burnt off just, came right back. But I said, you know what, fuck it, I'm on holiday. Why am I gonna restrict myself in terms of my diet? I'm just here to enjoy myself and eat good food, have some drinks, and you know what I mean? I'll be back to normal when I'm back from a holiday. So as far as the cut is concerned, yeah, I'm pretty much done with that. And what I learned is that, you know what, the whole bulking and cutting thing is pretty much overrated now, to be honest. As long as you stay within the 12 to 15% body fat percentage, you'll look pretty good. You'll still be lean. You're not going to be shredded, of course not, but you still look good. And you still have some muscle, so it doesn't really matter. So the whole shredding, getting lean, just getting super lean anyways, I'm done with that. So today, I'm going to go through a upper body workout on the rings at home. So this is something that you guys can do anywhere, in the gym, at the park, in your own home. And yeah, man, it's going to be on the ring specifically, so it's just all body weight this time as I'm getting back into training. I did train a couple times on my holiday, twice, but now it's like I'm really starting to get back into it now, into the training. So I'm just taking it light for now, and then from next week onwards, it'll be back into the heavy lifting type of training. So let me stop the rambling. It's a quick upper body workout, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get to it.